Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how DNS works. So what is DNS? In simple words, it is the Internet's address book. In complex words, it is an intricate worldwide network of web servers that collectively comprise a global database of domain names and IP addresses. Note that DNS stands for Domain Name System. It does not stand for Domain Name Server or Domain Name Software. Now when you type www.example.com into your web browser, your browser actually will be looking for www.example.com to get the IP address. Yes, there is a dot at the end of the domain name, one that we never see, one that we never type. The end dot represents the root of the Internet's namespace. So when we first search for www.example.com, our browser and our operating system will first determine if they know what the IP address is already. It could be on our computer or it could be in cache memory. So the browser asks the operating system and they both don't know where www.example.com is. What happens next? The operating system is configured to ask a resolving name server for IP addresses it doesn't know. The resolving name server is workhorse of the DNS lookup. It is either configured automatically or manually within our operating system. Our operating system asks the resolving name server for www.example.com. The resolving name server may or may not have the IP address in its cache memory. The only thing all resolving name servers should know is where to find the root name server. That is, they know the IP address of the root servers. There are 13 root servers all over the world. Resolving name server will contact the root server near to it. The root server will reply with, "I don't know, but I do know where to find the COM name servers. Try there." The COM name servers are called the top level domain name servers or TLD name servers. The resolving name server then takes all of this information from the root name servers, put it in its cache, and then goes directly to COM TLD's name servers. When resolving name server queries www.example.com, the TLD name servers respond, "I don't know, but I do know where to find example.com name servers. Try there." The next set of name servers are the authoritative name servers. So how did the COM TLD servers know which authoritative name servers to use? It is with the help of the domain's registrar. When domain is purchased, the registrar is told which authoritative name servers that domain should use. They notify the organization responsible for top-level domains, the registry, and tell them to update the TLD name servers. Once again, resolving name server takes the response from the TLD name server, stores it in cache, and then queries the example.com name servers. At this point, authoritative name server will say, "Hey, I know this address." After that, authoritative name server will look inside zone file to find the IP address. And it will tell resolving name server to go to 93.184.216.34. The resolving name server takes this information from authoritative name server, put it in cache memory, and gives the reply to operating system. The operating system then gives it to the browser, and the browser that makes the connection to the IP address requesting the web page. So this is how domain name system works. This is the hierarchical representation of domain name system, and this is the path to reach www.example.co.jp.